It's the sound.
Okay, then I give you the credit. But make sure with the avoid the repeating. Create a sprint and manage your end-to-end sprint. Good. On your project. Number 3, planning to complete all technical tests and tasks. If you haven't done yet. Good. You have not done yet. And for your information, yes, you eventually will be writing the issues for the TS for US as well, because those things have to be fixed. But I'm thinking from today, officially, you guys should be able to write the user stories and the information officially from today. And then, if I see the value, I'll bring in the same project, I'll bring the project and Shimon, and you guys actually tell them the work need to be done to follow your good, especially Shimon. He is the back end, and he actually do the basic front end as well. You guys got the idea or not?
Yes.
Okay. And open Confluence, Atlassian, focus on template. We plan to complete minimum templates, but validating is
Your voice is very far away again.
I don't know why this is happening today. Why is this? We did not have this issue before, right? Did you guys have this issue before?
No.
I don't know why this is happening today. Okay, let's see. Let me speak loud. What is this? Farming and Georgia shadow to area for activities. Think of call, updates, and follow what she does. And Faria to share with them. Okay. All right, let's go stay here. Okay. Number 6. What is the number 6? This is the big one. Already big one. Follow your retro board. Right? Retro, that's you already know what is the issue there. All right. The 7 is create your project. The best time when you are in the Bootcamp. Again, that's the best time. If you just get lazy, time will be gone and you will not see any value. I think this should be more than enough for you guys the whole week. Because once you guys all this, the actual handy work is done, will be preparing you for the test. For the actual product owner test. Before that, we'll just go over the what is all the chaos of the Scrum. What do we do the Scrum? What do we do? You guys will get all the idea about the Scrum. Makes sense? Scrum Kanban. Those are all activities, but this exactly the work you're doing. That's the most critical things for you to become successful. Everything else is managing, and nothing you will not be able to manage nobody until you know what you're doing. Until you are explaining things, other people accepting positively and doing it.
It's like you cannot manage somebody else, you can manage yourself.
Correct. So managing means you know which project you're working, know the project details, and know the requirements, start writing the user story, groom them, categorize them, break them, and then show the user story. You have to be driving seat. So you guys are heavily working to become actually the core product owner, business analyst, and the project manager. All three things you are actually going together, but the goal is the product owner. Because the writing user story of the business analyst is super important. Anything else for you? Yeah. Faria, anything, Fauzi, anything else? Faria, Fauzi, anything else? Again, the issues with the sound?
Yeah,
Hello?
there. No, I don't think so.
But do you guys hear me?
Yes.
Okay, good, good. I think this is enough. So please use the stories. And this week I gave you this, but throughout your time, you can write, sorry, that you can actually refer them in your resume. You'll be actually referring them in your resume. So the more that situation, more work you do, more like a teamwork you do, more people you know, actually those will be easy for you to communicate in the interview and you pass your interview. Again, that's the recipe. It's not like how much you learn, actually how much you actually use, implement right after you learn it. All right, guys. So we did not take any break. We're good. I give you guys 10 minutes break, and you guys are good to go. And Faria, you will be leading tonight again, right?
Yes.
Okay. Good work so far. And you are following the sprint board, right? Very strictly, correct?
Yes, I'm following the sprint board.
Good. What do you think so far?
I think I'm doing okay. I mean, I can. So before I do the sync up call, so a few minutes before the sync up call, I go back to my document,
Nice.
and then I create a list of people who already did the task board and updated it. So during the sync up call, I don't have to look back and see who did it and who didn't. If they did, they would update it then or not.
Yep, that's called the proactive planning. Means you do not go to a meeting unprepared. So that's
Yeah.
good job. Thank you. That's exactly what you're supposed to do. You do not go to a meeting unprepared. You just do all your work and then go to the meeting. Good work. Correct. Yeah. Nice. Thank you. Thank you. Good.
And also, you didn't look at my user stories, so if you could just review them.
Okay. Which one? I did. Okay. Because of the duplicate, right?
No, not the duplicate ones. It's the ones I told you to do yesterday on the chat.
Let me see. Oh no, we are supposed to do today. So let's go. What number? So what happened?
Okay.
Okay, go ahead. Let's review them now. Okay.
It's 79. It's 80.
80.
80. 79 is the feature, and then 80, 81, 82.
There is a bug on this as well. You see this? Look at this. You guys can write a bug. Look at this. With this one,
That's a bug.
look at this again. No, it's not even working. Look at this. Let's go here again. 80, right? 80. If I click it, it doesn't work. You see this? What did come? 33. So all I wanted to show you. So there is a bug. Okay, so go backlog 80, right? Epic story. Let's go 80, 80, 80. There you go. Okay. As a student, I should be able to view my program page. So why you don't have any like a description element?
Oh, wait, I did.
Only in the course. That's fine.
I might have gotten to add it, but
Admin panel.
maybe I do.
You should use this properly, so you'll be good. And given URL, yeah, not bad, but you missed. Okay, important. done yet.